Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn safe mode on or off on your Google Pixel. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, swipe downwards from the top of your screen to pull down your notification shade. This reveals your quick settings panel where you'll find various controls and shortcuts for your device. Once the notification shade is open, look for the power button icon and tap on it. This will bring up your power options menu. Alternatively, if you prefer using physical buttons, you can press and hold both the power button and volume up buttons simultaneously to access the same power options menu. Either method works perfectly fine, so use whichever feels more convenient for you. Now, in the power options menu that appears, you'll see several choices including power off and restart. Here's the key step. Locate the restart option, but instead of just tapping it normally, press and hold it for a moment. Holding the restart button triggers a special menu that regular tapping won't activate. After holding restart, a confirmation message will pop up on your screen asking if you want to reboot your device into safe mode. Safe mode is essentially a diagnostic mode that loads your Pixel with only the essential system apps and settings, which helps troubleshoot any issues caused by third-party applications. Simply tap OK to confirm that you want to enter safe mode. Your device will now begin the rebooting process. At this point, you'll need to wait patiently while your Pixel restarts. The time this takes can vary depending on your specific device model and how much data is stored on it, so don't worry if it takes a few minutes. You'll see a loading screen indicating that the reboot is in progress. Just let it run its course without interrupting the process. Once the rebooting is complete and your device powers back on, look at the lower left corner of your screen. You should see the word Safe Mode displayed there, confirming that you've successfully entered safe mode. Your device is now running with minimal apps and features, which is perfect for diagnosing problems. Now, when you're ready to exit safe mode and return to normal operation, simply access the power options again by pressing and holding the power button and volume up together. This time, instead of holding the restart option, just tap it once normally. Your device will reboot again, and this process will exit safe mode and restore all your regular apps and settings. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to toggle safe mode on and off on your Google Pixel. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.